Hey guys, so we received this nose hair trimmer with LED display for test and try. The two gear adjustment mode, USB rechargeable nose hair trimmer for men or women or any other use. So it's a waterproof dual edge blade. So let me just open this box and show it to you. So this comes in this nice packing and the manual and charging cable and stuff. So this is nice like the USB-C charging with the LED display that I will show it to you. So basically, it's a double-edged knife in the corner on the side and washable cutter head, and the two-speed mode, intelligent anti-pinch, and long-lasting battery. So as I say, it's a Type-C charging. So this is the button that you can use. So I'm just showing like just a quick demo with the hair. So it's not pinching anywhere, even on the hand, and just taking up the hair from my finger, just as a trial. So. It's basically for the nose. I will show that, but you can see the LED display thing on in the machine itself, and then there is no pinching, nothing, and easy to use, easy to charge and clean. So the brush is also supplied with it, and you can see the LED display shows the percentage of battery remaining. So very nice and handy design and two speeds here, and just close it when you don't want. So it's a nice design, I will say, and easy to clean. Also used for hair on the different side, and you can use this supplied brush to clean this up. So very nice nose trimmer with a stainless steel blade, and then a two-speed mode. So you can see like for the nose, you can also use. There's no pinching and no uncomfortable feel, and easy to use. So a nice nose and ear trimmer.